This is a really cool power bank. It's small, compact. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank. But the best part is it does have the MagSafe style in the back. It has the little third leg, I guess is what you call it. So it helps sync it and align it easy. The cool part is this does have the fast charge 22.5 watt power delivery. So that's really nice that it has that. The construction is very nice, I would say. It's like a nice smooth plastic. You do have your USB out, USB-C in to charge. This does come with a attached long USB-C cable, so I'm able to charge my iPad with this. But the best part is the MagSafe, which plops on like that. Really cool. The LCD screen is nice. It looks cool. It's almost like a dot matrix looking. But as you can see, it is charging wirelessly, which is perfect. I think something like this is perfect for you when you're on travel. You're able to charge your phone, my iPhone, and my iPad at the same time.